I can't even describe it. It's just paralyzing. Paralyzing every day.
Cheryl Plasek spent her Mother's Day here in a cemetery. In 2012, her 28-year-old son Daniel, a Navy veteran, killed himself because of an opioid addiction that started when he was hurt on the job.
The cemetery, to see your child is, I can't even describe it.
Avi Israel is often seen on the news, but what you don't see are the many trips he makes to visit his son's grave. Michael Israel committed suicide in 2011 after becoming addicted to doctor-prescribed painkillers.
We know that opiate addiction leads you into really dark corners.
Cheryl and Avi are now working with other parents like Mary Jo Alessio, whose son died from an overdose, to send a message to the U.S. Senate that health care reforms cannot forget addiction treatment.
Between suicide and overdoses, we lose over 95,000 people a year in this country.
The group is hoping people will add signatures to online petitions and letters like this one.
We are just now starting to move forward. Trump Care is going to roll us way back.
These parents fear the American Health Care Act will make it harder for addicts to get treatment because of cuts to Medicaid and the phase-out of parity provisions for pre-existing conditions.
It just affects everybody in the family.
Supporters of the legislation like Congressman Chris Collins argue the Health Care Act will still allow access to opioid treatment. But these parents want to make sure that no more parents will ever have to see their children in a graveyard.